Hey guys, today we're going to be optimizing our YouTube channels in order to increase views and subscribers naturally. First, we're going to be setting a constant subscribe reminder so that everybody can always respond to our videos when they're watching them. Go to YouTube Studio, go to Customization, scroll down, add a watermark, and select the entire video. This will ensure that you have a subscribe reminder constantly throughout your video where anybody can even subscribe to you through an embed, which is really important. We can also add an auto-subscribe prompt when we are linking to our channel, which is very useful. If you're linking people to your channel using this auto prompt technique, what you should do is always let them know that they're going to be subscribing to your channel in the link. This is cutting out the middleman of them having to go all the way down and click the subscribe button, and it's also letting them know that they are going to be subscribed if they click on the link. That way you're only going to get the traffic through that want to be subscribed to your channel, which is going to be better for you. It's always good to have a subscribe reminder in your header on your channel. A lot of people seem to miss this, which is really strange, but this is a great call to action and it's something you should definitely try and do. To add a header like this, go to YouTube Studio, Customization, and then go to Banner. And you can make these banners on a website like Canva, which makes things easy. It's absolutely free. I'm going to put a link in the description and in the pinned comment for this video. Having a good thumbnail and a slightly mysterious title is a great way for getting natural clicks through to your videos. I highly recommend taking some time to learn about thumbnail creation and also to work on making those titles a little bit mysterious just so that people click on the video. Another way to increase views on your channel is to follow these steps. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, go to Channel and add keywords in your niche. This will help the algorithm place your videos. You can also add some upload defaults to appear in each video. Try not to do this with keywords beyond your channel name, as this can be really harmful to your videos. You can also use pinned comments in your videos in order to prompt people to do things. So for example, make them watch a similar video or make them watch a playlist. Now this is really helpful. My recommendation is to pick videos in the same niche that are good but aren't doing as well as you would like and link a few of those. You can also link out to playlists of other videos in that niche, which is really helpful. You can also add a ref link or a subscribe link as your third option. Now I recommend using 3 links purely because you will get better results on those first 3 links and anything after that's probably going to be ignored. Believe me, I've tested this enough. Now when it comes down to it, if you're trying to sell a product through your channel, you are definitely not going to want your customers to feel like they're being forced to buy the product, and putting that first may make it feel like you're actually just trying to sell to the audience and just earn money, which can be very alienating. Now your channel is optimized, hopefully you will see an increase in views and an increase in subscribers. And if this video has been useful to you, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. I'm going to put lots more marketing tips on this channel. Now, one word of warning to you: if you feel like you're not going anywhere and that you are not increasing your views and things aren't going well for you, this may be part of an invisible growth phase for your channel. You need to keep making videos, need to keep making content, just keep putting that stuff out there no matter how depressing it seems. Just set it at a very low bar. If possible, try not to share your videos with friends and family. That can potentially hurt you because they may only watch a couple of seconds of the video and think that that helps your channel or whatever. They need to watch the whole thing if they're going to watch it at all. So the most important thing is don't share the videos out, don't get them out to people just yet. Just allow them to grow a little bit naturally first before you start trying to promote them, because otherwise you could be doing damage to your video success. Anyway, you have a lovely day, take care, and I hope this helps.